Wayne has a secret he has not told anyone. He recently found out that he had 1 week to live. Nobody, not even his parents, knows. He did not want to see people cry or feel that they have to do something for him. Wayne decided that he would just try to live life to the fullest. He would do things that he always wanted to do. He made a list. The first thing on his list was to go to Japan. Even though buying a flight ticket this last minute was expensive, it didn't matter anymore. He was in Japan for 2 days. He got to see cherry blossom trees, eat great sushi, and hike Mount Fuji. He went back to the US. He went to Laguna Beach with his friends. They played volleyball, tanned, biked, and more. They also had s'mores and watched the sunset. On the 4th day, he had brunch at a very expensive restaurant with his mom and dad. He was glad he didn't tell them about his secret. If he did, they would be crying instead of enjoying brunch. On the last day, he made sure every hour was amazing. He saw the sunrise at Santa Monica Pier. He had lunch with his best friends. He went hiking with his dog. He ate ice cream for the last time. Finally, he watched the sunset at home. A couple of hours later, the doctor called Wayne's parents about his death. They were totally shocked. Wayne had left a note for them, thanking them and explaining why he did not tell them about his secret.